Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and starting to do a battery charging test of the Oppo Reno 3, and this phone is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back, and also this phone is powered by new MediaTek Helio P90 chipset, which is based on 12 nanometer architecture. We have 128 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM, and the battery size on this phone is 4025 mAh battery size. I know that the battery size it is not really big on this phone because this phone comes with a 6.4 inch full HD AMOLED display. Battery size is really good for this display. So in this video I'm going to show you how much time is required to fully charge this phone from 0% to 100%, because right now the battery percentage on the Oppo Reno 3 is at 0%, no battery juice on this phone. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Okay guys, now let's show you the charger that actually comes with right out the box, and you can see here is the box of the Oppo Reno 3. I already done the unboxing of the Oppo Reno 3 on my channel. If you're interested, watch that. And now let's see the charger and the cable that comes with right out the box if you buy this phone. And you can see we have this big adapter which is much bigger than the super fast charging, and you can see here is the adapter, and this is a 20-watt fast charger. As you can see, it is not a 30-watt that you get with the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. And you can see on the top we have a USB-A port, and this is a cable which is a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can see we have this VOOC logo. Okay guys, and this is a adapter and this is a USB-C cable. Let's out the USB cable from the plastic, and you can see it is also really thick, good cable as you can see. So now let's insert the USB-C into my Oppo Reno 3, and here is the USB-A. And now let's insert the charger into the switchboard, and the power source is on. And guys, now let's insert the charger into the switchboard, and you can see the phone is showing me that the charging is start. So now let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy A71, and you can see right now the battery percentage is at 1%, and I start as you can see. And this phone comes with a 20-watt fast charger with a 4025 mAh battery size. Battery size it is not as big as the Samsung Galaxy A71, which is coming at 4500 mAh battery size, and also A71 comes with a 25-watt fast charger, little bit faster charging speed than the Oppo Reno 3. So now guys, I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So see you guys after half hour. Okay guys, I am back after half hour. Is at 50%. It means that 50% charging is done in half hour. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So let's see how much this phone is charged from 50% to whatever percent in the next half hours. One thing I'm gonna tell you that the battery charging speed is depending on your environment temperature, your battery temperature, as well as your phone temperature. Right now temperature in this room is at 29 degrees Celsius. And guys, also let's quickly boot this phone up, and in case we have this new animation when you boot up the phone. And you can see one thing I'm going to show you, that I don't have any feature on as you can see, and I don't have any SIM card on this phone as well right now. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage of the Oppo Reno 3. And the battery percentage on the Oppo Reno 3 is at 89%, and you can see we have this very cool animation as you can see, and also we have this VOOC logo as well, which means that we indeed use the charger that actually comes with right out of the box. And you can see now we are at 90%. So now I will be back after when phone is fully charged up to 100%. And also this phone comes with a in-display fingerprint scanner as well, which I show you right now. So Now I will be back after when phone is fully charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back and my Oppo Reno 3 is fully charged up to 100% as you can see in 1 hour and 16 minutes, and battery charging speed is little bit faster than the Samsung super fast charging that you get with the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, if you want to know more about the Samsung Galaxy A71, the battery charging speed, watch my battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A71 on my channel. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Oppo Reno 3. Let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3 and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Overall, I have to say that I really impressed by the battery charging speed of the Oppo Reno 3. This phone gave you a 20-watt fast charger compared to 25-watt fast charger that you get with the Samsung Galaxy A71, and this fast charging speed, it is faster than the Samsung super fast charging. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.